we're gonna test out the Halo 16-inch pizza oven. The Halo's kind of a cool little unit. It's got a couple burners in it. It's got this rear burner and then the center infrared burner that heats up your stone for you. It's based on a rotisserie turntable type system. It can be used at home. It can also be used portable. It comes with a quick disconnect for a standard 20-gallon tank or a 1-gallon tank. Underneath of it is a spot for 2 D-cell batteries which run the turntable. We have it plugged into power just to make it a little easier for us. I'm going to turn the propane tank on and get the thing kind of preheated. There's a couple different ways you can load the pizza. You can load it through the front, or sometimes it's a little bit easier on this Halo to load it with the lid open because you can come in a little bit steeper angle and get that pizza to come off that peel. Let's fire it up and get it going. There she's lit. We're going to turn that turntable on and get that stone temp even. Your number one tool for making a pizza is an infrared gun because you always want to shoot that stone temperature. Make sure it's not too cold or too hot. And that's where pizza ovens are nice, is you want that stone temp at 550 and above, and below 800. Anything above 800 just balloons up that crust, cooks it too fast. So as you can see, the temperature of this thing, ambient, is getting hot really fast. But again, we're going to watch that stone temp because that's what's important to us. Okay, we hit our stone temp of about 525. Took roughly about 5 minutes to heat up. Couple tools to have: a pizza peel, a little bit of cornmeal on there. Actually, quite a bit of cornmeal off of there, helps it all slide off of there. This is a scraper we use to scrape the stone. You don't need a lot of stone maintenance. A good seasoned stone just takes time. There's some you can put oils on, but you just want to be careful putting too many oils on there. Just use the cornmeal there for a little while. Your pizza stone's going to season naturally over time. High fat content breads and doughs will help season that stone even faster. So you can see, we're going to turn it down a little bit. The ambient temp says 850, stone temp at about 500. About 5 minutes later, we're going to have pizza. dead on 5 minutes. And there's our beautiful pizza. Nice thing about it spinning around, that back burner, as we're watching it, directs all the heat from the back of the oven to the front of the oven, while that infrared underneath the pizza stone heats that pizza stone just perfect. There you go.